Top 5 apps like Life class action lawsuit settlement that actually work today. Life has faced legal scrutiny, but most people get this wrong by thinking it's the only family locator or tracking app available. The surprising truth is there are several apps today that actually work for location sharing, family safety, and digital alerts. First, Find My. Built into Apple devices, it allows real-time location tracking, notifications, and family sharing. Users praise its accuracy and seamless integration with iOS. Second, Google Family Link offers parental controls, location tracking, and app monitoring. Customers value its robust privacy features and control options. Third, Famasuff provides geofencing alerts, activity reports, and real-time location tracking. Users highlight its intuitive interface and versatility across devices. Fourth, Glimpse allows temporary location sharing for specific trips or events. Users enjoy its flexibility and simplicity without requiring long-term subscriptions. Finally, Jozilla. Focused on family safety, it includes location history, SOS alerts, and battery monitoring. Customers appreciate its notifications and easy setup. Pro tip: while Life has faced a class action lawsuit, these alternatives provide reliable family safety tools without compromising privacy. Explore multiple apps to find the features that suit your family best. These 5 apps give families effective ways to stay connected, safe, and informed today.